Hey guys, it's your boy Tech Flash, and I think by this time we all know that Samsung is planning to bring its AMD powered Exynos chip to its upcoming flagship phones. We all saw the AMD event announce its partnership with Samsung and how they plan to amp up their GPU performance through this collaboration. I mean, that is what we've all been hearing for a while now, and even the CEO of AMD, Dr. Lisa Su, used the word flagship during the announcement. Based off of that, the only worthy enough devices seem to be the upcoming S22 series, since we didn't see the chip in the recently released Z Fold and Flip devices. But a new and surprising development is brewing up, and we're starting to hear rumors that the Galaxy A series phones might actually be the first devices to get the new AMD Exynos chip. That is a little bit surprising. I mean, Samsung putting probably its best chips yet on the cheapest phones and planning to actually go ahead with this would be quite impressive and a very smart thing to do in my opinion. I think it is safe to say that the chips won't exactly be the exact same. They would be clocked down a little bit, which makes perfect sense considering the A series is their mid-range lineup. We're still not really sure what they would be naming the chips, but based off of rumors, we know that there will be two variants of the same Exynos chips. One will have 2 cores and be aimed at the mid-range Galaxy A family of devices, and the other one will boast 4 units for improved performance in the upper mid-range segment, while the 6-core chips would be reserved for the S22. Even better, according to reports, the chip will feature AMD's mRDNA graphics subsystem, and the performance throttling will be, and I'm quoting here, less than 10%, which is quite unheard of for Exynos processors. It is also rumored that one of these chips will be shipped off to a few Chinese manufacturers, and I'm guessing Xiaomi and Oppo, since we did hear reports of them eyeing out the Exynos 2200 for some time now. We're also really not sure what Samsung models will come out with this chip, but putting things into perspective, it makes sense for the A53 and 73 to come out with the Exynos. Both phones are yet to be announced, but based on their previous history, the A52 and A72 have been Samsung's most promising devices for their mid-range lineup due to the addition of features like optical image stabilization, 120Hz display, water resistance, stereo speakers, and much more, and Samsung plans to keep the momentum going. If things do work out and if Samsung is able to keep their cost at a competitive level, there is a big chance that they might start to make a comeback at Xiaomi and other Chinese manufacturers who provide similarly amazing phones but at a lower cost. Especially after hearing that Xiaomi and Oppo may come up with these chips in the future, it will be interesting to see what Samsung does to stay in the competition. Anyways guys, that is it for your daily dose of tech. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you guys once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.